これからまた出発します。セブンイレブンから次はバーベキューのところまで行きます。それは終点になります。すごい楽しい一日なんだよね。これから授賞式も、もあるし、いろいろあるんで。I think this is so awesome, right? And I'll tell you what is awesome about it. Not just, hey, we're a bunch of car people and we got together. Here we are in Texas. I mean, the epitome of America, right? I mean, Texas. Big trucks, big everything. And here we are in the smallest, the tiniest, most underpowered cars. But we have the biggest smiles on our faces of anybody on the road. And you guys notice when you drive your K cars, do you notice the reactions of people around you who see the cars? Right? What is it? It's the same answer. If I asked any of you, and I do little interviews with people who own cars, these little cars have an ability to put the biggest smiles on people's faces. It's amazing. I want to tell you guys something, right? So in Japan, these are K cars. They're bought for purposes for, lower insurance purposes, for more economic travel purposes, for easier parking purposes, overall cost purposes. Then we get these cars here in America, and we're driving them, and I put videos up on my channel, and Japanese people, and if you translate the comments on my videos about this, you'll read it. They can't believe how much fun we're having with cars that really, I don't think many of the people in Japan bought the cars to have fun with. Do you know how many Japanese people have changed their way of thinking as a result of what we do, what this group here does? Meaning, you know what, K cars, they are kind of cool. Hey, wow, you can have a lot of fun with this type of car. It's not a way of thinking that was typical in Japan. It might be like us getting into an F-150. It's like, there's 700 of them, right outside. But there's something special. We're doing something with these cars. We're appreciating them. We are keeping them. We're restoring them. We're modifying them. We're driving them. We're smiling with them. We're having fun with them. And I'm telling you, believe me, I'm telling you that the people in Japan, really, I mean, it's got so many people so impressed with what we're doing here as a group. It really, really is. So from the people in Japan who I know watch the channel to you guys, thanks for keeping a part of really Japanese culture alive. Seems like in the car community, and then especially in this K car community, it's not about how expensive our cars are. There's no attitude regarding that. We're all pretty much, somewhere in the same class of dollar amount. It's not how fast we are, because although there's a couple of faster K cars here, we're all pretty damn slow, right? But that's not the point of these cars, why we're driving them, right? It's unique. It makes people smile. We have fun, family fun, father, daughter, father, son time. Even you guys coming out to take pictures of it, it's great to have that kind of appeal and attraction. So I mean, honestly, you guys all deserve a round of applause and everything. And a lot of these cars might have been scrapped. A lot of these cars might have wound up getting scrapped and not existing. All of a sudden, these cars come here, and we're enjoying them. And it really, the people who built these cars, guys who were in the factories building these cars, write me and say thank you for it. So really, really great time. Is this guy right here, Kim?
Unplug
If it wasn't for Kim, guys,
unplug the TV.
Yes. We're not going to get into the story. There's a story coming up on Steve's POV about him and his beat and how the power of these little cars to put the smiles on our faces, to bring a group of people together, but to change some people's lives. Ask somebody sitting next to you today. I asked Courtney, I asked Gabby, I asked him, I asked everybody. How many friends have you made because of the car that you drive? Think about it. How many new connections and friends have you, I mean, everybody in this room, wouldn't have known each other if we weren't somehow connected to K cars, right? Just here we got 30 people. But then outside of it, and how many relationships, father and daughter, father and son, family relationships does a little car kind of bring together? It's really amazing when you think about it at that level. I don't mean to be that mushy and gushy about it, but for him, that car, he could tell you a story, not today, but the car changed his life and really made him a much happier and really, I mean, created a community for Kim to really take a lot of time
and do what he does for us. So thanks.
I can proudly say that it is very, very likely that I would probably not be here. I would have not bought my car had it not been for this man right here. As far as meeting him, getting to know him, going to events, didn't really even have an event-worthy car, just went in my regular car, and got to know him really well. Told him I was thinking about looking at it, thought it was cute, quirky, different, wanted to get myself something, and he said, do it, and I did it, and now look at us. This is our third year. This is the third rally that we've done for North Texas K. We started out, I think the first one was just a small group of friends, 12 people. Now, how many people do we have in here? 30? 30 plus? Yeah. So, I mean, because of this man right here, his influence, I jumped in head first, and this is where we are today, and I can't tell you all how thankful I am.
We're going to start with, there are 3 awards. The first one we will start with is the Coolest K Award. This is a pretty solid brick right here. Comes in a nice case. It says Steve's POV, Coolest K Award, thumbs up, K Rally. There's a lot of cool K cars on the rally, so it's hard to say, and they're all different very much. But today's rally, I think the car that caught my eye the most today, I would call it the coolest K on the rally because it's unique, it's different, it's coloring, its look. I haven't seen it before for the first time today, and I think you all agree that Ryan's Jimny. He's absolutely. I'd like to give this to Ryan for his Jimny. He has a beautiful cappuccino too, but good thing you brought the Jimny because you might not have gotten an award. But dude, that thing is beautiful. The coloring, everything you did with it was fantastic. Keep up the great work, and he's a real community guy too. You got a daughter who next time we're gonna get her out here.
Keep you busy. So.
But thank you, man, for bringing out a really awesome thing. You got it. Now, next one's called the K Spirit Award. I would say Spirit embodies somebody who is not just for themselves, but is for the community. Somebody who's there for other people in this community all the time, who embodies the fun of these cars for himself, for his significant other, the work that this guy puts in on the stuff that he does, the originality, the concepts, the everything. I think a lot of you shaking your head because you know where I'm going with it. Josh and Barb in the back are 2 of for both of you guys. I mean, this is really for both of you because from her cappuccino to his beat and the amount of work that he put in this car, and that the type of people they are in the community to want to help other people. When I know Kim has something broken down, somebody's doing something, you guys are all helping each other, right? Yeah. I think that's the spirit part of it there that you guys really embody. So thank you guys. You got it. You got it. And finally, the K Pride Award. K Pride. So K cars are Japanese. We take pride in owning these. We take pride in representing them. We certainly have no shame in what we drive around in. And certainly for somebody to take his truck and put the massive sized Japanese flag and drive all around North Texas with no shame, no fear, that is pride as pride can be. And to blow up an Instagram with a little truck like that, man, Cody, this is your award this morning. Right there. I think it's well deserved. Those are all the awards, and again, we have a little something for everybody to take home. But man, listen, keep up what you're doing. All you guys keep up what you're doing. Spread this community to everybody, to good people, because that's all that seems to what it attracts. And let's just enjoy good times with the cars and with good people. I think that's really what it is. I always say the cars are fun, but the cars lead to these relationships. So the reason I took the time to go around is to really, I think the more and more everybody gets to know each other here, or hey, who is that guy with the cappuccino? Or hey, maybe somebody knows. You have a resource now. We're our own resource for everything K related. You have everybody in this room can help in some way with something. So thanks, guys.
Good job, Catbird.
Guys. 皆さんいかがでしたか？今日のイベントはすごい楽しかったんで、こんなにもう軽自動車好きな人が一つのね、テキサスの北部にいるのはすごいんですよね。すごい楽しかった。俺は今回車がなかったんだけど、今度からまた自分のサンバも乗れるように願っているんだけど、みんなと一緒に乗れて、オーナーさんたちをね、それぞれ会えて嬉しかった。嬉しいっていうか楽しかった。そういう楽しかったですね。日々前進前向きにやっていきましょうね。チャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。では、Blake, thanks for being a good cameraman.
You're welcome.
Thanks for being a good leader of our club. Thumbs up always, man. See you next time.
ご視聴ありがとうございました。関連動画こちらとこちらにありますので、よかったらチェックしてみてくださいね。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして通知ボタンをオンにしてね、よろしくお願いします。